Children, we are going to start a new chapter on transport. Chapter 15. So, what is actually transport? It is the action which is defined as a particular movement of an organism or a thing from point A to point B. The modes of transport include air, land, water, cable, pipeline, and space. Actually, as India is a large country, its population is increasing day by day. In the development process of a nation, transport plays a vital role, especially when industrialization, urbanization, agricultural growth is taking place at a rapid rate. The different forms of transport used to carry passengers and goods from one place to another are called the means of transport. Means of transport are important not only for quick and comfortable travel but for carrying goods from one place to another, also which adds to the economic advancement of the country. No part of the country produces all the things of daily use. For example, the tea we use comes from Assam, sugar from UP. Therefore, the things are produced in abundance in one region and are transported to other regions of deficient production. There are four modes of transport: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. The two benefits of transport system are economic benefits and social benefits. Economic benefits, it helps in promoting foreign trade of a country. It promotes tourism. Transport is the backbone of a country's economy as they unite people from one corner of the land to the other corner. They help in agriculture and industrial development of a country. Social benefits, it helps to create employment opportunities. It is mostly due to transport that people are able to communicate or commute to their workplace every day. The means of transport bring together people living in different parts of the country. Means of transport has reduced the distance between cities and villages. Villagers are able to avail employment opportunities in the cities. At present, India has one of the largest road networks in the world. Roads already account for 80% of passenger traffic and 70% of goods traffic. This mode is one of the preferred modes of transport. The Indian roads are categorized into four: the national highways, state highways, district roads, and village roads. Now, here it is given as expressways and national highways. Now, expressways are the multi-plane, well-paved highways used for movement of goods and traffic. India's first expressway, the Ahmedabad-Vadodara Expressway, is also known as National Expressway or Mahatma Gandhi Expressway. It is in the state of Gujarat. It connects cities like Ahmedabad and Vadodara. Expressways are constructed to ensure smooth travel with controlled access in the Indian National Road network. Now, there are 4, 6, or 8 lane highways divided in the middle by a wide divider. Mostly they are toll roads. Here the speed is restricted to 120 kilometers per hour. National highways are maintained by CPWD, Central Public Works Department. These are long metal roads. They link far away places as they pass through many states. For example, highway between Varanasi and Kanyakumari is one of the longest national highways. The main national highway connects places like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Kanyakumari, and Leh. In order to give boost to the trade and economic development of a country, the government has undertaken National Highways Development Projects (NHDP). The National Highways Authority of India is an autonomous agency of the Government of India responsible for management of a network of over 60,000 kilometers of national highways in India. The authority is a nodal agency of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Now, role and importance of national highways. It has reduced transportation cost, it lowers the trade cost, employment of local workers on the project, national integration, widening improvements, strengthening and maintenance works are carried on in the state national highway roads. Now, Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral is a highway network connecting all the major industrial and agricultural centers of India. A quadrilateral is formed by connecting Delhi in the north of India, Kolkata in the east, Mumbai in the west, and Chennai in the south. The objectives and benefits of this project. It reduces the time and distance between the megacities of India for better movement of products, to facilitate truck transport, transport agricultural produce, raw materials from waterland to major cities and ports for export. It provides job opportunities. State highways. The state highways and the rural roads are developed and maintained by various agencies of state and union territories. The village roads. These are constructed and maintained by the village panchayats. They are usually very narrow and not suitable for heavy traffic. The district roads connect towns and large villages. Their maintenance and development is the responsibility of Zilla Parishad and the respective PWDs. International highways. The highway link of the neighboring countries under the agreement with the Economic and Social Commission of Asia and Pacific, ESCAP. Border Road Organization. The Border Road Organization develops and maintains network in India, border areas and friendly neighboring countries. It is staffed by officers and troops drawn from Indian Army Corps of engineering, military, police and army personnel. Advantages of road transport. The advantages of road transport are: it is the cheapest means of communication and track and link villages to urban areas. Roads provide door-to-door service, thus the cost of transport is reduced considerably. The role of roads is most important in economic development of the country. It provides a link between railway stations and ports. Roads are suitable for short distance travel. Disadvantages of road transport: unmetalled roads and their poor maintenance. Traffic jams due to lack of order are very common. Lack of roadside amenities along the roads like repair shops, first aid, telephone booths, rest houses, etc. There is shortage of funds which results in poor maintenance of roads. the different government policies which keeps on changing, and as the government policy is not stable, it leads to chaos and irregular practices. Therefore, just before rainy season, the roads are temporarily repaired, and soon after the rains, they are back in their battered state, especially in the low lying areas. So, the problems faced by road transport are: most of the roads are not safe for running a heavyweight vehicle because of their poor maintenance. A major problem of Indian roads is high traffic condition. Another problem is multiple toll tax counter and checkposts which bring down the speed of vehicles, waste time and create problems for the transporters. There are no sufficient funds for maintenance and construction of roads.